Snowstorm number 2, 2026. Yeah. All right. They've already started peeing in it. Okay. It's your boy, Sean P. walking in the street because I gotta go to the grocery store. And there's really no inlets. It's a bunch of people, cars on the street, but they ain't supposed to be out here. Going to the grocery store. Second snowstorm of 2026. So I'm back out the snow. Yeah, it's pretty crazy out there. But we back in the warmth of the apartment / studio. Yeah, getting stuff done. Made a few calls. Had a few calls with some dope artists. Went to my man Yashua Klos. Went to his art show last week. Great, amazing artist. Definitely look up to him. Consider him like a big bro up in this art game. Did an episode about maybe a year, maybe even more, but he was basically featured in a whole episode, did a whole studio visit, went to his studio in the Bronx, and also shot some photos of him. So always good to see the homie have big opening nights and whatnot. So, and that's what it was. It was crazy, packed. Couldn't even really appreciate the art like I wanted to. I'm gonna have to go back because actually he's having a closing show, which I am also gonna attend. That hopefully I can get a better look at the pieces because it was packed. Everybody loves Yeshua, and the place was packed. It was crazy. These are like the best smelling incense in the world. Like, shout out to my man Paul, aka Cappy, over at Aesop. Always hooking us up. Yo, check them out. You're on the Upper West Side. Good people.